1. Ram Prasad Bismil, born on June the 11th, 1897, was a prominent freedom fighter and poet, who played a crucial role in India's independence movement. 2. Bismil was associated with revolutionary organizations like the Hindustan Republican Association, RA, and later the Hindustan Socialist Republican Association, HSRA. 3. He was a key participant in the Kakori train robbery in 1925, an audacious act aimed at acquiring funds to support revolutionary activities against British rule. 4. Bismil was an accomplished poet, and his patriotic verses inspired many during the freedom struggle. 5. He wrote the famous poem Sarfaroshi Kai Tamana, expressing the fervor and determination of the youth in the fight for independence. 6. Ram Prasad Bismil was arrested and sentenced to death for his involvement in revolutionary activities during the Manipuri conspiracy in 1924. 7. Despite facing the gallows, he remained steadfast in his commitment to the cause of a free and independent India. 8. Bismil was executed on December 19, 1927, but his courage and sacrifice left an indelible mark on the hearts of fellow freedom fighters. 9. His life and contributions are commemorated in various ways, including naming educational institutions and streets after him. 10. Ram Prasad Bismil's legacy as a revolutionary poet and freedom fighter continues to inspire generations of Indians striving for justice and freedom.